guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency in Polkawallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To change currency in Polkawallet, firstly go ahead and open your Polkawallet application. The home page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Settings icon at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of Polkawallet. Click on Preferences. On the next page, tap on Currency. Choose the currency you prefer to use and tap on it. This is how you can change currency in Polkawallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any doubts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.